Ever wondered how many lives are turned upside down by auto accidents daily? Imagine this. Every 60 seconds, someone, somewhere is involved in an auto accident. That's a staggering 60 people every hour, and over 1,000 every day. Now multiply that by the number of days in a year. Yes, you're right, the number is mind-boggling. But what's even more alarming is the unseen impact these accidents have. They're not just about bent metal and shattered glass. They're about disrupted lives, fractured families, and dreams put on hold indefinitely. These accidents thrust people into a complex labyrinth of insurance claims, medical bills, and legal proceedings. It's a daunting journey, but no one has to walk it alone. That's where auto accident attorneys come in. They are the unseen heroes, guiding victims through this maze, fighting for their rights, and helping them reclaim their lives. It's a hidden crisis that's unfolding every day, everywhere. And the heroes? Auto accident attorneys. Take the case of Jane Doe, a victim of a hit and run. One ordinary day, Jane's life took an abrupt turn when an unidentified vehicle collided with her car and fled the scene. The aftermath was a whirlwind of confusion and stress. Jane was left with mounting medical bills, a totaled vehicle, and no culprit to hold accountable. Enter Jane's auto accident attorney, a beacon of hope in her time of despair. This legal professional took on the daunting task of unraveling the mystery behind the hit and run. They scoured local businesses for CCTV footage, tirelessly worked with law enforcement to identify the vehicle, and navigated the complex labyrinth of insurance claims. With their expertise and dedication, Jane's attorney was able to identify the culprit, bringing them to justice. Moreover, they fought tooth and nail to secure Jane the compensation she rightly deserved for her physical and emotional trauma. In the face of despair, Jane found justice thanks to her auto accident attorney. Or consider John Doe's case, where his insurance company offered far less than he deserved. John, a diligent worker and father of 3, was severely injured in an auto accident. Despite the clear evidence of his suffering, the insurance company tried to undervalue his claim, offering a settlement that barely covered his medical bills. But John was not alone in this fight. His attorney, a seasoned veteran in dealing with insurance companies, knew all too well the tactics they employ to minimize payouts. She meticulously built John's case, highlighting the severity of his injuries, the impact on his family, and the blatant disregard by the insurance company. The attorney's unyielding determination and expertise led to a fair settlement that recognized John's pain and suffering. Without her, John may have been left with a paltry sum, struggling to make ends meet. John could have been another victim of corporate greed, but his auto accident attorney ensured that justice was served. But what exactly does an auto accident attorney do? Well, their role is multifaceted and crucial in the aftermath of an accident. They're the ones who dive into the details, gathering evidence and piecing together the puzzle that forms the basis of a claim. They scrutinize police reports, interview witnesses, and consult with experts to build a robust case. But their work doesn't stop there. They also navigate the complex maze of insurance claims. They negotiate with insurance companies, ensuring victims aren't shortchanged and receive the compensation they rightly deserve. Sometimes, these cases make their way to court. That's when auto accident attorneys step into the spotlight, advocating for their clients, presenting the evidence, and making a compelling case for justice. Their work is not just a job. It's a commitment to justice, a dedication to righting wrongs and helping victims reclaim their lives after a traumatic event. Auto accident attorneys are the champions of justice for countless victims. So, do auto accident attorneys really make a difference? Indeed, they do. We've journeyed through the unseen impacts of auto accidents and the unique stories of 2 cases. The hit-and-run case, where the victim was left alone to deal with the aftermath, and the undervalued claim, where the victim was offered less than what they truly deserved. In both scenarios, the auto accident attorneys played a significant role. They fought for the victims, ensuring they received justice and fair compensation. Auto accident attorneys aren't just lawyers. They are advocates, champions for those who may feel voiceless in the face of insurance companies and legal complexities. They navigate the labyrinth of law, translating legal jargon into comprehensible language and standing in the gap for victims who may be overwhelmed by the aftermath of an accident. Remember, accidents may be unavoidable, but with an auto accident attorney, so is justice.